Nakuha po. Alright. Alright, so this is what I'm saying a while ago, that in cases of disorientation, which usually happens at nighttime, that is what we call the sundowning syndrome. And confabulation is also very common for some elderly na to. It is to remember what confabulation is all about. If there are memory gaps, we're trying to fill in memory gaps, so they will just make up stories. So they will just create another story just to fill in the memory gaps. Are you clear about confabulation? So these are the other signs and symptoms of sundowning syndrome. So there may be mood swings usually at nighttime. What else? There may also be disorientation, which is also usual at nighttime. In loss of sunlight kasi yan. Kaya sundowning. O wala na si Harry na araw, mas nag-disorient naman siya. There may also be periods of hallucination. The patient may lose cognitive. So yan yung tipo laging nagagalit. Kaya ng mama to, kukurangin ka niya, magagalit siya sa'yo. There may also be periods of confusion, resistance, and insomnia. So insomnia is one of the common problem ng mga may dementia at nighttime. Minsan yan, isa, dalawa, tatlong araw, walang tulog po sila. So kung may caregiver sila, kuya din ang caregiver. And that is why they are given medications para ma-improve ang sleep po nila. Like, the patients may be given methadone, that's an antipsychotic, so that would help improve the sleep po nila. Pero once po lang sa pain, may be given po sa mga patients. Or else, guys, kahit walang tulog yan sa araw, sa hating gabi, wala naman po silang tulog. Isa, hindi naman natutulog, pero makikita niyo sila, salita ng salita, o dal-dal-dal-dal sa hating gabi. At pero nakakabait, kaya matatanda po na ito ay hindi makatulog. Bakit? Of course, they also need time to rest. And for people, for human being, the best time to rest is during nighttime. No. Kung halimbawa naman, there are instances na lahat ng tulog na ay nasa umaga or during daytime, at times we may expect na at nighttime, hindi po sila nakakagulog. So in that case, we have to monitor yung cycle ng sleeping patterns po ng matatagal. Alright. So the closer to evening and sundown, the more confused and agitated the client becomes. So this is the cases of sundowning syndrome. Huwag niyo kalimutan sa sundowning na lumalabas ito sa exam yan. Alright? Are we clear po of the sundowning? Are we okay, guys? Sige. Now, these are the most appropriate nursing diagnosis for patients